everyone! Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and stress-free. I'm Mira, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence.
Hey, friends! Haha! I'm Alex, and trust me, I'm learning English just like you. Sometimes I make mistakes, sometimes I forget words, and sometimes, I say funny sentences.
That's true, Alex, and that's perfectly okay, because in this channel, we believe mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, if you are a beginner and you think, oh no, my English is very weak, then don't worry at all.
Exactly. This channel is specially made for beginners who want to speak English easily, learn step by step, and speak without fear.
We use simple words, real-life conversations, and fun dialogues, so learning English feels natural, not boring.
And friends, if you like learning English in a friendly and fun way, please like this video. It really supports our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, or classmates who want to learn English too.
And very important, please subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio so you never miss our new English learning videos.
Haha, because learning English is easier when we learn together.
So relax, smile, and enjoy the lesson.
Let's start learning English the easy way.
Alex, tell me honestly, why don't many people speak English?
Oh, because they are afraid. They think, what if I say something wrong?
That fear is very common. But listen carefully, friends. Fear stops learning.
Yes, when I try to speak, my mind says, oh no, my grammar is wrong.
Alex, even native speakers make mistakes. So why should beginners be scared?
Oh, really? That makes me feel better already.
Friends, remember this simple rule. You don't learn English first, then speak. You speak English, then you learn.
Wow, that's interesting. So, speaking comes first?
Yes, start with small sentences. For example, I am happy. I am learning English. I like English.
Oh, I can say that. I am learning English.
Perfect. See, you are already speaking English.
But Mira, what if people laugh at me?
Let them laugh. Today they laugh. Tomorrow they will ask, how did you learn English so well?
I like that confidence.
Friends, English is a language, not a test. You don't need perfect grammar to speak.
Yes, you need confidence, not perfection.
Exactly. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak daily.
Even 5 minutes a day?
Yes, even 5 minutes is great. Talk to yourself, talk to friends, or talk with us.
From today, I will not be afraid.
That's the spirit. Friends, make mistakes, smile, and keep speaking.
Because confidence comes when fear goes away.
Alex, do you know the easiest way to learn English?
Reading books? Memorizing grammar?
Not really. The easiest way is to use English in your daily life.
Oh, daily life? Like normal life?
Yes, your normal life is the best English classroom.
Wow, so I don't need a special time?
Exactly. Let's start with mornings. When you wake up, say, I am awake. Good morning. I feel fresh.
Oh, I can say that in the mirror.
Perfect. Talking to yourself is great practice.
What about eating food?
Good question. Say simple sentences like, I am eating breakfast. This food is tasty. I like rice.
I always eat rice. I like rice.
See? English is everywhere.
What about work or study?
At work or school, say, I am going to work. I have a meeting. I am studying English.
Oh, even one sentence is enough?
Yes, one sentence is powerful. Small English every day becomes fluent English.
And at night?
At night, say, I am tired. It was a good day. I will sleep now.
That sounds easy and relaxing.
Friends, don't wait for perfect English. Use simple English again and again.
Yes, English is not only in books, it is in your life.
From today, think in English for small things.
One life, one language at a time.
That's right. Use English daily and fluency will follow. Alex, be honest. Do you enjoy learning English?
Sometimes yes, but sometimes English feels boring.
Haha, you are not alone, Alex. Many beginners think English is difficult and boring.
Yes, big books, long grammar rules. Oh no.
That's why we say learn English with fun.
Fun? Like games and jokes? Ha ha ha!
Exactly. When learning is fun, your brain learns faster.
Oh, that's why I remember funny things easily.
Yes! You can learn English by watching short English videos, listening to simple English songs, speaking with friends.
Haha, I like songs. Even if I don't understand everything, I enjoy it.
That's perfect. Enjoy first. Understanding will come later.
What about movies?
Great idea. Watch movies or cartoons in English. Start with subtitles, then slowly remove them.
Oh, cartoons in English sound fun.
Yes, cartoons use simple words and clear pronunciation.
So learning English doesn't need stress.
No stress at all. Smile, laugh, and enjoy the process.
When I laugh, I feel relaxed.
And relaxed learners speak better English.
Friends, don't force yourself with hard rules.
Play with English. Sing in English. Laugh in English.
Haha, learning English is fun when you enjoy it.
Exactly. Fun today, fluent tomorrow. Alex, can I ask you something?
Oh, sure.
Why do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Because I make mistakes. Wrong grammar, wrong words, wrong pronunciation. Oh no.
That sounds very normal to me.
Normal? Really?
Yes, mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are part of learning.
Oh, so I am not bad at English?
Not at all. You are learning English. Everyone makes mistakes at the beginning.
Yesterday, I said, she go to school.
My friend corrected me.
And that's good. Now you know the correct sentence. She goes to school.
One mistake, one lesson.
Exactly. Every mistake teaches you something new.
But sometimes people laugh.
Let them laugh. Remember, people who speak well today made many mistakes yesterday.
Oh, that's motivating.
Friends, don't wait for perfect English. Perfect English doesn't exist.
Yes, only practice English exists.
Speak first, correct later.
That removes fear.
The more mistakes you make, the faster you improve.
So, mistakes mean progress?
Yes, big progress.
Friends, from today, I will not hide my mistakes.
Good. Show them proudly and learn from them.
Because mistakes are not failure.
Mistakes are learning. Alex, do you know the real secret to fluent English?
Big vocabulary? Perfect grammar?
Haha, nice try, but no. The real secret is practice.
Practice? Every day?
Yes, a little practice every day is better than long study once a week.
Oh, that sounds easy and possible.
Exactly. You don't need hours. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough.
I spend more time on my phone.
See? Use that time to practice English. Read one sentence, speak one sentence, listen to one short video.
Oh, small steps.
Yes, small steps bring big results.
Sometimes I feel lazy.
Haha, that's normal too. Just start. Motivation comes after action.
Oh, start first, feel good later.
Friends, repeat simple sentences every day. I am learning English. I want to speak fluently. I can do this.
Hee, positive English.
Yes, when you practice daily, your confidence grows.
And fluency comes slowly.
Slowly, naturally, and strongly.
No shortcuts?
No shortcuts, only practice.
Friends, don't stop. Don't give up.
Practice today, practice tomorrow.
And fluency will follow.
Friends, before we end this video, remember one thing.
Oh, important message time.
Yes, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about trying every day.
If you are a beginner and you feel slow, that's okay.
If you make mistakes, that's okay too.
If you feel shy to speak, that's okay too.
Because every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Haha, even me. And I'm still learning.
Friends, believe in yourself. Speak one sentence today. Speak 2 sentences tomorrow.
Small steps every day make big success.
English will not come in one night.
But if you practice daily, it will come for sure.
And remember, you are not alone in this journey.
We are learning together here at Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
If this video helped you, please like. It motivates us to make more easy English videos for you.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and classmates who want to learn English too.
Most important, subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Comment below in English. Even a small sentence is great.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
Because one day you will say, I speak English confidently.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye and happy learning.